Top environmental laws for UPSC Prelims 2025. Environment Protection Act, 1986. Objective: to protect and improve the environment, air, water, land, under Article 256. To prevent hazards to all living beings and property. To give the central government powers to regulate all forms of environmental pollution. Enforcement authorities: Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, MoI FCC. Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB. State Pollution Control Boards, SPCBs. Enables the creation of rules like EIA Notification, 2006. Solid Waste Management Rules. Plastic Waste Management Rules. Penalty: imprisonment up to 5 years and or fine up to 1 lakh rupees. Key provisions: empowerment of the central government to take necessary measures for environmental protection. Setting standards for emissions and discharges of pollutants. Restriction on industrial operations in sensitive areas. Provision for penalties for non-compliance. Regulation of handling hazardous substances. Wildlife Protection Act, 1972. Objective: to protect wild animals, birds, and plants. J and K also cover after a 370. To ensure ecological and environmental security. To regulate hunting, poaching, and trade of wildlife. Enforcement authorities: State Forest Departments. Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, WCCB. National and State Boards for Wildlife. Quick facts: enacted 1972 and amended multiple times, latest major amendment in 2022. Schedules: I6 based on protection levels. Key institutions: NBWL, WCCB. Conservation areas, national parks, sanctuaries, reserves. Penalty: up to 7 years imprisonment and fine for Schedule I species offences. Key provisions: 6 schedules classify species based on protection level. Schedule I and II, maximum protection, example tiger, elephant. Establishment of protected areas. National parks. Wildlife sanctuaries. Conservation reserves. Community reserves. Ban on hunting, except with written permission in specific conditions. Creation of the National Board for Wildlife, NBWL, chaired by the Prime Minister. Provision for penalties and imprisonment for wildlife crimes. Objective: to prevent deforestation and conserve forest ecosystems. To regulate the use of forest land for non-forest activities such as mining, industry, and infrastructure. Key provisions: prior approval of the central government is mandatory for their reservation or diversion of forest land. Restricts non-forest use of forest land unless approved by MoI FCC. Establishes procedures for compensatory afforestation. Emphasis on maintaining ecological balance and biodiversity. Enforcement authorities: Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, MoI FCC. Forest departments of state governments. Biological Diversity Act, 2002. Objective: conservation of biological diversity. Sustainable use of its components. Fair and equitable sharing of benefits from biological resources and traditional knowledge. Key provisions: 3-tier structure established for implementation. National Biodiversity Authority, NBA, at the central level. State Biodiversity Boards, SBBs, at the state level. Biodiversity Management Committees, BMCs, at the local level. Prior approval of NBA is mandatory for foreigners accessing biological resources or traditional knowledge. Transfer of research results to foreign nationals. Preparation of People's Biodiversity Registers (PBRs) by BMCs to document local biodiversity. Access and benefit sharing (ABS) mechanism ensures communities get a fair share when resources knowledge are commercially used. Enforcement authorities. National Biodiversity Authority (NBA), Chennai. MOI FCC Nodal Ministry. State Biodiversity Boards and BMCs Local Implementation. National Green Tribunal (NGT) Act 2010. Objective: provide speedy environmental justice. Reduce the burden of litigation in higher courts. Enforce environmental laws strictly and effectively. Key provisions. Establishment of NGT as a specialized body to handle environmental disputes. Applies principles like polluter pays and precautionary principle. Can award compensation and provide relief for environmental damage. NGT's orders are binding and appealable only to the Supreme Court. Structure: Chairperson, retired Supreme Court judge. Expert and judicial members. Benches in Delhi, Bhopal, Pune, Kolkata, and Chennai. Jurisdiction: civil cases under 7 environmental laws. Appeal directly to the Supreme Court within 90 days. Environment Impact Assessment (EIA) Notification 2006. Objective: ensure environmental sustainability in developmental projects. Key provisions. Projects categorized into Category A, Central Approval, and Category B, State Approval. Requires public hearing and submission of EIA report. Involves Expert Appraisal Committee, EAC, for clearance. Quick facts. Issued 2006. Legal basis: Environment Protection Act 1986. Tools: EIA report, EMP, Environmental Management Plan. Controversy: Draft EIA 2020 criticized for diluting norms. Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. Objective: to prevent and control the pollution of water bodies. To establish boards for the purpose of pollution control. To ensure the sustainability of water resources for various uses. Key provisions. Establishment of the central and state pollution control boards. Powers to inspect, sample, and monitor effluents from industrial units. Industries must obtain consent before discharge. Panel provisions for discharging pollutants beyond prescribed limits. Power to restrict or shut down polluting units. Enforcement authorities. Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB. State Pollution Control Boards, SPCBs. Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1981. Objective: to prevent and control air pollution. To ensure clean and breathable air by regulating emissions from industries and vehicles. To establish pollution control boards at the central and state levels. Key provisions. Establishment of CPCB and SPCBs for air quality management. Declaration of air pollution control areas by state governments. Restriction on the use of polluting fuels and substances. Mandatory consent from SPCBs for industrial activities in control areas. Penal action for violations of air quality standards. Enforcement authorities. Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB. State Pollution Control Boards, SPCBs. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe Everything IAS.